today we're showing you a 2015 New Holland T4.75 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Comes with a New Holland 655 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor is just over 800 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. It's been well taken care of. Has 74 horsepower. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor and loader. It's got the global style hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket shows a little bit of wear, but minimal use. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. You got a little scuff here in the front, little scratch there, but again, very minor. It's got the Galaxy Radial tires, which are in nice shape, front and back. Corner exhaust, 2 mirrors in the cab, 2 entry doors in the cab. 16.9 R30 rear tires are in real nice shape. I believe those tires are loaded, but double check the listing on that. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms, both sides. Got the dual rear hydraulics, 540 PTO. Got the controller back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. It does have rear work lights and a rear wiper. It's got the tilt steering wheel. It's got the air ride seat here for the operator. Buddy seat here on the side. The interior of the cab is just as clean as the exterior. This tractor has been taken care of. It's got the power shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right here, you've got your 3 ranges and park lever. Up top, you got the 1, 2, 3, 4, which is synchronized. Also have the loader control within easy reach. PTO control also within easy reach. 3-point controls right beside the seat. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic levers and your 4-wheel drive engagement. On the post, you got your light switches, wiper switches, heat and air conditioning, radio up top, sun visor, rear view mirror, roof of the cab there. And as you can see, the interior of the tractor is very clean. Starts, runs good. There's absolutely no known issues with this unit. I'll also have to pass a 40-point inspection prior to delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please give us a call or contact us. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing.